Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple cloud phones that you can use to create your social media accounts. You can use to do whatever you want to do online without people knowing that you are using a cloud phone. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. I'm going to show you websites that you can use to get those cloud phones done online. So I'm also going to give out a free proxy that you can use to connect to this cloud phone. So it will help you to stay anonymous online. So stick around in this video while you learn how to do that. So guys, before we give out the website for the multiple cloud phones that you want and the Antidetect browser, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can be able to get notified whenever we're dropping awesome videos just like this. And also we have videos here that is going to be more helpful for you, so do well to watch them and in after watching. So let's dive in on the video. Now before we do anything, we need to open a new tab here and go to our Google. On our Google, we are going to search for most login. So we're going to search for that, and the first URL you're seeing is their ad URL. It's still the same thing with this same one here. So we're going to click on this one here that says most login Antidetect browser, manage multiple accounts. So we're going to click on it. So after clicking on it, we need to download this software on our PC. So if you come over here, you get to see download most login for your Windows. So you can download the software for your Windows, for your MacBook, for your any kind of PC you're using, you can download it. So all you need to do is to click on this area that says download. And once you click on it, automatically it's going to be downloading here. So, but I don't have to download it because I already downloaded it on my PC. So if you scroll down, you can select the one you want, either for your Windows or for your MacBook. So since I have it here on my PC, I'm going to click on the app, on the software here. I'm going to say, so once you click on the software, it's going to open up like this. Once you are done downloading, if you know how to install software on your PC, you can do that. It's very easy. So it's going to come up like this. If you don't have an account with them, you're going to create an account by clicking on this sign up for free. So clicking on this sign up for free, now it's going to take you to a browser where you can be able to create a new account. So starting this account now, we are going to create this account with a Google Gmail. So I'm going to click on continue with Google here. So I'm going to select a Google account here to complete this setup. So I'm going to go with this. I'm going to click on continue. And after doing that, you're going to see a welcome message that says sign up successfully. So we're going to click on this open most login and then click on this open here. So it's going to take us straight back to this area. So it's logging in here already. Now we are here now. So logging in on this most login software, it's going to give you a welcome bonus, and also they're going to give you a tutorial videos that you want to watch so you can be able to know what you're doing. So all those things, we actually don't need it right now, so I'm going to close it. Now this is the interface of this most login software. Once you have it installed on your PC, this is how it's going to look like. You have your profiles, you have your cloud phones, your proxy, your team, subscription, your referral program, your resources, your API, billing, and settings. So, but what we are going to do now is to focus on creating profile. But before we create profile, we need a strong proxy. Now, the best part of it here on most login is because is the best part of it here on most logins is that they give you alternatives to get free proxy giveaway. So before we add our proxy, we're going to explore all these areas here. This is dynamic IP proxy for you to set up quickly here. And also this is a proxy provider hub over here, and this is a proxy free giveaway. So here now we're going to claim most of the giveaways that we have available. You can see you have IPDeep available for 1 gig. You have Mango Proxy, you have Best Proxy, you have xx.org free giveaway. So we're going to claim this Mango Proxy, and I'm going to click on this claim for free. I'm going to accept their terms and condition, and I'm going to agree and continue. So over here is going to take us to a new tab again on the browser, because we're trying to authenticate the Mango Proxy with the most login accounts. So automatically now we have an account here on this section. So what we're going to do here is to claim our free proxy. We are going to do that by clicking on that proxy setup. Now you're saying that they are giving us a residential proxies. This is 1 gig proxy and it's going to last for 24 hours. So what we're going to do here is to download the information that we need, which is all the information here. We're going to click on this download icon here. So after downloading this proxy, what we're going to do is to open it wide, I'm going to say, and go back to the most login and go to this proxies area. So now we're trying to add a new proxy. What we're going to do here is to click on this add proxy here, and we're going to change this to HTTPS because it's a residential proxy. I'm going to start with this proxy Facebook. Now I'm going to go back to my notepad here and copy this and go back to my most login and paste it on my host port, and then go back on this area and copy the port number, go back here, paste it here, go back again. This is my username, I'll paste it on my account, and go back again. This is my password, and paste it here. So before we can be able to confirm this proxy, we're going to check the proxy server IP if it's actually authentic, if it's actually working, or if it's not working at all. So we're going to click on this check proxy server IP, and then wait for it to load up. All right, so if your proxy shows this, that means the proxy is working pretty good. So we are going to click on this confirm area here. After doing that, we'll go back to our profile to create a new profile for our Facebook creation or social media creation. Now you can see that they have a lot of new profile here that they created for you guys to use, but it's not actually fully edited to your taste, so you can actually create a new one if you want. So I'm going to click on this profile here and then select my folder. If it's e-commerce I want to do with the browser, or social media I want to do with the browser, or con list I want to do with the browser. So our main goal here is to create a multiple social media account. So we're going to click on social media here, and I'm going to title this Facebook again. Now they're going to ask you to take the iOS or the OS version. Since I'm using Windows, they're going to ask me if it's Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I'm going with Windows 11 here, and I'm going to go over the proxy area and add proxy manually. So if I want to add basics, I'm going to add it manually, but I already have proxy added to this my account on most login. So I'm going to click on this added proxies, and I'm going to select the new proxy that we just added. So before I confirm again, I'm going to check the proxy if it's still available. All right, so you can see that the proxy is available. So I'm going to click on confirm. So automatically we've created our own profile, and you can see that our proxy is being attached on this area. So if I want to open up the browser, what I'm going to do here is to click on start. So I'm going to click on this start and wait for it to load up. Over here you can see that our IP address is showing with our location US Washington Seattle. So now what we're going to do here is to open a new tab and search for facebook.com. Now automatically you get to see that our Facebook website is opening up. So this is a Facebook website. So now what we're going to do now is to create a new account right now. So I'm going to click on create new account. Now once I click on that, it's going to open a new tab where I can be able to fill in my information. So I'll start with So I'm actually creating a random account here. So instead of adding a phone number, we're going to use an email. So I'm going to use this email. I'm going to use a random email to create this account, and then add my password. So after doing that, I'm going to scroll down and hit this submit button. So I'm going to save this, then I'll wait for it to create. So they are going to request for us to put in our confirmation code. So I'm going to do that here. The confirmation code that they just sent to me, and click on continue.